Choosing the right contractor for window installation is crucial to ensuring that your home is secure, energy efficient, and aesthetically pleasing. In Bartow, where the weather can be a bit unpredictable and energy costs can be a concern, investing in high-quality window installation makes all the difference. However, the process of selecting a trustworthy and skilled contractor can be overwhelming with so many options available. To help make your decision easier, here are key steps to guide you in choosing the right contractor for window installation in Bartow. Do your research before hiring any contractor. It's important to do thorough research. Start by browsing local reviews and asking friends, family, or neighbors in Bartow who have recently had windows installed. Personal recommendations often lead to great experiences. Online reviews and testimonials are also a good indicator of a contractor's reliability and the quality of their work. Additionally, make sure the contractor is familiar with Bartow's local climate and housing styles. A contractor experienced with the specific conditions of Central Florida can help you choose windows that are best suited for heat control, noise reduction, and moisture resistance. They'll know the ins and outs of installing windows that will perform well in this environment. Check credentials. The right contractor should be licensed, insured, and bonded. A license ensures the contractor has met local regulatory standards and has the expertise required for window installation. Insurance is critical because it protects you in case of any damage to your property or injuries during the installation process. Bonding provides you with an added layer of protection, guaranteeing that the contractor will fulfill the terms of the contract. Before hiring anyone, verify their credentials by asking for documentation and checking with local authorities or online databases to confirm their legitimacy. This step will give you peace of mind and assure you that you're working with a professional. Request multiple quotes. It's always a good idea to get quotes from at least 3 contractors. This will give you a sense of the going rates for window installation in Bartow and help you compare the services and products being offered. Be wary of quotes that are significantly lower or higher than the rest, as they may indicate hidden costs or low-quality materials. When comparing quotes, ensure that they are detailed and include the cost of labor, materials, and any additional fees. A reputable contractor should provide transparency in pricing, so you won't be surprised by unexpected charges down the road. Evaluate experience and expertise. Window installation is a skilled job that requires both technical knowledge and experience. When considering a contractor, ask about their experience installing windows, particularly in homes similar to yours. A contractor with years of experience will be able to handle potential challenges more effectively and ensure the installation is done correctly the first time. Ask for examples of previous work and, if possible, visit a few of their past installations. Seeing their work firsthand can give you a better understanding of their craftsmanship and attention to detail. Inquire about the warranty and guarantees. A professional contractor will stand behind their work. Ensure that the contractor offers a warranty for both the windows and the installation process. The warranty should cover defects in materials and workmanship for a reasonable period, such as 10 years or more. A strong warranty demonstrates the contractor's confidence in their services and assures you that they will take care of any issues if they arise. Be sure to read the warranty terms carefully and ask questions if anything is unclear. A well-established contractor will be happy to explain the details. Review the contract thoroughly. Once you've chosen a contractor, make sure to review the contract carefully before signing. The contract should clearly outline the scope of work, the type of windows to be installed, the expected timeline, payment terms, and any other relevant details. If anything in the contract seems vague or incomplete, ask for clarification or adjustments. A reputable contractor will be upfront about the terms and will not pressure you into signing quickly. Take your time to ensure everything is in writing, so you're fully protected. Assess customer service. Good communication and customer service are crucial throughout the entire process. From the initial consultation to the final installation, the contractor should be responsive to your questions and concerns. If they're difficult to reach, unprofessional, or dismissive of your needs, it may be a red flag. A contractor who values customer satisfaction will keep you informed at every stage of the installation and address any issues that arise in a timely and courteous manner. Conclusion. Choosing the right contractor for window installation in Bartow involves careful consideration of several factors, including reputation, experience, credentials, pricing, and customer service. By doing thorough research, requesting multiple quotes, and ensuring the contractor is licensed and insured, you can make an informed decision and ensure your window installation project is a success. Take your time, ask the right questions, and don't hesitate to seek clarification on any concerns. With the right contractor, you'll enjoy the benefits of high-quality windows that enhance the comfort and value of your home.